Hello, my lovely financial fashionistas. This is Joy with Joyful Budgeting Co. and welcome to another absolutely scrumptious edition of Taco Tuesday. I'm so excited to blend some serious savings with this delicious inspiration today. We'll be stuffing our Taco Tuesday Savings Challenge envelope following our relatable journey of our pig who dreams of saving but gets tempted by spending, and celebrating our wise pig who discovered that collecting experiences creates much richer memories than collecting things. Just like a master chef carefully selects each ingredient to create the perfect flavor profile, we'll be going to carefully select each dollar to create the perfect financial foundation. There's something so satisfying about building wealth with the same intentionality that goes into crafting an amazing meal. So let's gather our cash envelopes, prepare our counting stations, and create a savings experience that's as nourishing for our future as it is enjoyable for our present. Today for our Tuesday savings, we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 200, 1, 2, 3, 4. We have $204 that we will have in order to stuff our mystery savings challenges, which means our Life of a Pig challenges. For Taco Tuesday, which is the one we will be starting with today, we have already placed some funds aside so that we are ready to stuff for the 10th. Today is the 10th of June, the second Tuesday of the month. So let's get that colored. With this challenge, remember, we are saving the dollar amount that equates to the date. So we have $10. We're going to place this to the side so it can dry, and we're going to place this $2 in our envelope. Let's take a look and see how much we have saved. We've got $300 in surplus reserve and $40 in cash. We're going to go on ahead and condense these two 10s into a 20 with our surplus reserve, saving us from going to the bank, but also ensuring that we keep our envelopes nice and healthy by not overstuffing them. And we've got a total of $40 in cash and $300 in surplus reserved for $340 saved thus far this year in Taco Tuesday. Now, moving right along, let's take a look and see what's going on with our girlfriend Georgette. And in Life of a Pig who wants to save but loves to spend, this month, let's take a look and see what we're doing. Let's take this page out. It says sharing money is what gives it its value. Sharing is caring. This is our second Tuesday, so we will be scratching off 3 of these today. Let's go right here. All right, you guys, this scratch off here, we're starting off the day with a bang. It says times 3. So let's see, our next one is what we're multiplying. Oh my gosh, you guys, this one says times 2. So 3 times 2 is 6. Whatever we scratch off, we have to multiply by 6. So let's take a look and see what we get. All right, and we have a 5. So 6 times 5 is 30. So 10, 20, 30. We're starting off strong today. We've got $30 saved on this page. And then on this side, we are going to save a total of $10. And in order to save that $10, we are gonna grab our markers. We will definitely color in one of our ice cream sundaes. The ice cream sundae is $5. And then we will color in, well, actually we're saving $11 today because this is an even week. We will color in an ice cream cone, which is $2, so that's $7. We'll do another watermelon for $3, so that makes $10. And then we will color in one of these popsicles, so that will make $11. Give me a moment to get this colored in, and then I will be right back. All right, I had a little bit of fun coloring this one, and we've got our ice cream cone for $2, our watermelon slice for $3, so that's $5. We've got our ice cream sundae with a gold bowl and spoon this time for $5, so that's $10. And then we've got one cherry limeade popsicle for $1, so that's a total of $11 on this side. We're going to place that back in our binder, and we have a total of $41 that we're saving today in Life of a Pig Who Wants to Save but Loves to Spend. So with that $41, we've saved a total this year of 800, 50, 70, 80, 90, 100, 10, 11, 12. So we are able to get a $100 placeholder and place an entry in our surplus reserve for $100 for Life of a Pig Who Wants to Save but Loves to Spend. So let's say 6 LPS $100, and we'll mark this out, and it's $14.42 in surplus reserve. Let's get our $100 placeholder that lets us know that we've got $100 in surplus reserve, and we will place our $100 in smaller bills in here. So we've got a 50 that we'll place here, 20 here, and 3 10s to complete our $100. We'll place here. So now we have $800 in high yield savings, $100 in surplus reserve, and $12 that we've got here in our envelope in cash. So that's $912 that we have saved in Life of a Pig Who Wants to Save but Loves to Spend. All right, now let's take a look and see how we're doing with the Life of a Pig Who Wants to Collect Memories, Not Things. And in this challenge today, we are on our second week, so we are going to scratch off 2 of these. Let's go here, and for our first scratch off, we're saving $3. 1, 2, 3. And for our second one, we're going to go down here at the bottom. For this one, we're saving $4. So let's put a 1 back and get a 5. So on this page, we have a total of $7 that we have saved with our pig, and it says, "My heart is in the Highlands." For our next page, we need to roll dice. All right, and since this is week 2, we are going to again roll 9 dice. So we're going to roll 2 at a time in order to make this move a little bit quicker for us here today. All right, we've got 3 and 5 to make 8. So we're going to cash in these 2 here and get a 10. Let's color in a 3 and a 5. So we've got 5 here and 3 here. Roll again. And we've got 11. So we'll get a 10 to 1 here. So we'll color in this 6 here and this 5. This is our third roll. We've got a 3 and a 2, so that gives us 5 more. It looks like we can condense these and get 2 10s. So let's go on ahead and do that. All right, so 3 and 2. We've got a 3 here and a 2 here. We'll roll 2 once more. And we've got 4. We'll cash in this $1 bill and get a 5. And we've got 1 here and a 3 here. Now we've rolled 8 dice, so now we've got to do 1 more for a total of 9. And we have a 2, so this is 1, 2. And we'll color in this 2 here. Now, in Life of a Pig Who Wants to Collect Memories, Not Things, we have saved a total of $37 today. Let's take a look and see how much we've saved collectively thus far this month. It seems that this challenge is a bit spicy this month. So let's take a look and see. All right, we've got 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75, 80, 81, 82, 83. So we've got $83. Let's grab these bills here and condense them with a $50 bill from our surplus reserve. Again, surplus reserve saves us from having to go to the bank, but allows us to condense our envelopes on the fly with minimal effort. Put our 20 in here, our 10s in here, and 5s here. Now we have a total of $83 that we have saved in Life of a Pig Who Wants to Collect Memories, Not Things. And there you have it, another absolutely delicious Taco Tuesday cash stuffing session wrapped up with style. Just like the perfect taco achieves harmony between all its elements, you're achieving beautiful harmony between your savings for tomorrow and enjoying today. Our piggy friends keep teaching us that the richest life comes from understanding when to save and when to spend on what truly matters. Thank you for joining me for today's flavorful financial journey, my wonderful financial fashionistas. Remember that building wealth is like perfecting a family recipe. It gets better with time, patience, and your own personal touch that makes it uniquely yours. This is Joy with Joyful Budgeting Co. reminding you that your financial strategy should be as satisfying and well-crafted as your favorite comfort food. Stay fabulous, keep those envelopes growing, and I'll see you next time for more saving inspiration that's as appetizing as it is achievable.